Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So, in today's video, we will be exploring one of the hidden gems in Goa, which is a small but a very beautiful little waterfall in a village called Ozurim. This village is in the northern part of Goa. So, right now I'm headed towards Panjim or Panje as the Goans call it, and as you can see, we are crossing the Zuari bridge. So, in order to avoid the traffic, usually there's a lot of heavy traffic on this bridge. So, I started in the morning and I guess it kind of worked. So, there's very little traffic right now. So, we have reached Panje right now and we are about to cross the Mandovi bridge and we are headed towards the Porvorim Mapsa side. So let's go head towards the Ozurim village next. We have just got off the highway a few minutes back and we have entered this beautiful village. I don't know the name exactly, but it's really beautiful. The narrow roads, the coconut trees on either sides. It's really relaxing and peaceful to just cruise through these roads. So yeah, I'm having a really good time. Hope you guys are too. This is the is Ozurim village. We've just reached here now, but getting to the exact location of the waterfall was a little tricky and difficult. So I had to check Google Maps, but Google did not help much here. So I went looking around for this place, but I still couldn't find anything. So I had to ask a few locals around. They suggested me a route, but as they say, I don't know who, but some people do that the roads unknown take you to the most beautiful locations, and that's exactly what happened to me. And I stumbled upon this beautiful location. So have a look at it. After asking a few other Goikas here and there, I somehow finally managed to get the correct road that leads to this waterfall. So I started heading towards it. Actually, the waterfall is just a few meters ahead towards the right of my side. But me being me, I somehow managed to mess up and I went riding deep into the forest or the jungle. So I thought initially that the waterfall would be far away. But yeah, I went riding. It was a little fun, a little scary, but overall I did enjoy the ride. After wandering about for quite some time in the forest, I managed to find the waterfall. So I had to park my bike on top and just walk down a few steps to reach to this waterfall.